That one?
Play the other one again.
What's that noise? I can't even hear it. What's that noise you say you can hear? Look at the children, sound asleep now. What's that noise you say you can hear? Look at the children with smiles on their faces. Why do you frown and look so glum? Why don't you go now? I'll point you to the doorway. Cover your head, you're bringing me down.
What's that noise?
The time has come, the song it is over. The man in the corner is not breathing. Whatever happened to the sleeping little children? Where have they gone? I'll close my eyes.
It's impossible to play that song without some noise coming.
No, it's not. And I messed it up. The second verse is the children are sleeping with smiles on their faces.
What
But
did
who
you
would have known?